Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Kavitha'sBeauty Tricks on YouTube, and this is Kavitha here. Before beginning with this video, I would just like to say a big thank you for subscribing to my channel. Already we have reached 100 subscribers, and for me 100 is not just a number, but it is a big emotion. So thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And without any further ado, let's begin with today's video. In this video, I'm going to explain how exactly you can remove whiteheads at home without using any stick or any baking soda or any harsh chemicals. Before moving on to how to remove the whitehead, I would just like to say why exactly this whitehead happens. Now, whiteheads is nothing but a white dot which arises around your nose, especially when it is not removed or not taken off frequently. Now this happens because it is nothing but a bacteria or fungus which remains on the open pore. So you need to make sure that before removing the whitehead, you need to open the pores so that the whiteheads comes out of that clogged pore. Okay, so for this you just have to follow just 3 simple steps. First one is take a cotton pad or any cotton cloth and dip it in hot water. Keep it on your nose. Now this will help in opening the pores so that it is easy for you to remove the whitehead. Second step is apply this mask. Now to make this mask, I have used a teaspoon of turmeric, little bit of honey, and a pinch of or a little bit of lemon. Now mix this thoroughly, make a paste like consistency, and apply it on your nose. For applying, you can use your hand, but I am using one more step, which is a toothbrush. Now, or how does it help in removing the black or whiteheads? Now while you are brushing, it makes sure whatever pores which is open, the bristle goes into the pores and it removes off all this bacteria out. Turmeric is having an anti-fungus or anti-aging property which helps in removing the fungus. Honey nourishes the skin and also helps in maintaining the pH level of the skin, and the lemon helps in removing all the dirt and dullness which is there around your nose. Now apply this mask thoroughly, and using a brush this off nicely and clean it off nicely. That's it. You will have a shiny nose, and all the whitehead will go immediately while you follow this tip or trick. Now, I've been following this tip from quite a long time, because of which people keep telling me that I'm having a shiny nose, which is actually wrong. I don't have a shiny nose. I remove this whitehead using the same technique, because of which I have a shiny nose. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it did, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, share it as much as you can, and do like my channel. Until we meet next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.